Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes. Now, I hope you are going through the online portal so that you will not miss your classes. Now, today we will do the revolutionaries after the formation of new kingdoms proposed by the four countries: Britain, Russia, Prussia and Austria. Let's talk about the revolutionaries. Who were those revolutionaries? What did they do? What they want? The year after 1815, the following years, the fear of repression drove many liberal nationalists. The fear of repression means the fear of being caught drove many revolutionaries, liberal nationalists means revolutionaries, underground. They went into hiding. They went into hiding because once they were caught, they could not carry on their revolution against the newly formed monarchs. So, secret societies were formed quietly without letting them know by the king's men. Secret societies were formed. They used to have meeting at night in the remote places in many European states. States means countries. In many European countries, secret societies were formed because they wanted to carry on their revolution. They have understood what liberty and equality and freedom means during the rule of Napoleon. But once Napoleon was defeated, now again Bourbon kingdoms were formed by these kings who were deposed by Napoleon. Those kings were brought back. To be revolutionary at this time, during the time of repression by the new kings, to be revolutionary at this time meant a commitment to oppose monarchical forms. Each revolutionary had to promise that they will oppose the government, especially the monarchs. Every kind of monarchical forms they will oppose. They were committed to that. They have to make commitment. The people were ready. Most of the revolutionaries belonged to the third class and the poor and the working class. The revolutionaries, as they wanted to set their kingdom free from these despotic new kings. The revolutionaries who fought for liberty and freedom, they fought for liberty and freedom before also. Then the Napoleon rule after that. Previously they fought against the despotic kings. They welcomed the armies of the France and the Napoleon occupied their territory. It was not a new thing to them. They have already started revolutionaries before Napoleonic rule, and now after Napoleonic rule again they have to start revolution, and for that they formed secret societies in various parts of European countries. The revolutionaries who fought for liberty and freedom saw the creation of nation state as a necessary part of the struggle for freedom. They wanted to free their country. They wanted to have a democratic country without kings, so that the people will have equality, people will enjoy equality, liberty and freedom of speech and their rights. They can enjoy their rights, and for that they were ready to die for that. They were ready to sacrifice their lives for this good purpose, for their aim. So the revolutionaries, their aim was to create a nation state. Nation state means a free country. So, and it was a part of this struggle for freedom. That's why they formed secret societies. They were not afraid of being arrested, or they were not afraid of the king's men, but still they moved forward cautiously. They used to have meetings at night, and that too not in the cities, in remote areas. So that's why it is called secret societies. One such individual was Italian revolutionary. One of that among so many revolutionaries, among them one was from Italy, an individual. His name was Giuseppe Mazzani. He belonged to Italy. Giuseppe Mazzani. Now we'll understand about him when we read further what he has done, what his ideas were. So one of the individual was the Italian revolutionary. His name was Giuseppe Mazzani. He was born in Genoa. He was born in Genoa in the year 1807. Now, name of that individual revolutionary of Italy, Giuseppe Mazzani, he will become a great leader later on. And he was name of a place where he was born and the year. Everything is provided in one line. He became the member in the beginning first. He became the member of the secret society of the Carbonari. Carbonari, a name of a place. He became the member first. He did not become a leader at once. First he became the member. So he was very much popular. He was very active. His ideals, his thoughts were very good, and people accepted and appreciated his thoughts and ideas. So slowly he was recognized as their leader. So he became the member of the secret society in the beginning, initially, of the Carbonari. As a young man of 24, he was very young. He was sent into exile. Exile means thrown out of the country. He was sent out. He was removed. He was asked to go out from the country. He was sent into exile for attempting revolution in Liguria. This Giuseppe Mazzani, an Italian revolutionary, he attempted revolution in Liguria, and the Bourbon kings, their ministers or the kings, their guards, threw him out of the country. He was sent into exile. He founded, once he was out from Italy, he went to other parts of the country, of the European countries. He formed two more underground societies. He formed two underground societies. One was the Young Italy, for Italy, to free Italy from the despotic kings, and another one was, he formed two underground societies. One was the Young Italy in Marseilles. Young Italy in Marseilles, this word we have already heard and learned in class 9 also. Marseilles, and the Young Europe in Bern. Young Europe means the Europe, all the countries in European countries, all the countries must be free from these Bourbon kings. All must become democratic countries. So all must form nation states, must be nation state. So one society was to liberate Italy from the kings, and another one was to liberate other countries from other areas of Europe, and that is called Young Europe in Bern. So one is in Marseilles, another one is in Bern. Marseilles, that is in Italy, for Italy, freedom of Italy, and Bern, secret societies, they fought to liberate the countries of Europe. So, to be continued, in our next class we'll talk about more Giuseppe Mazzani. So we should know about him. So now we'll talk about in our next class. That's all. We'll study more further. Only thing, you need to go through online portal every day so that you learn part by part, not all at once. You can remember clearly things. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you for watching the video.
Sure.